Welcome back, Mongo Fix. Mongo got car from Buddy here. This Buick Encore. Trunk no work on this car. Yeah, you push button and nothing happened. So big question, how get in trunk? So need get in car. This in back. So just like, a spare tire under there and stuff, but down here, that trunk latch, this little, it looked like button, but it not button. This cover for access when this fail. So, it's dark in there. Inside that hole there, square socket. Now, it's too small for like 3/8 drive ratchet, but what you need to do, this square key. They use square key on lots of like buses, garbage trucks, but you stick in there, get inside that square hole, and twist to the left. Just up, you hear it pop, and then trunk open. So twist left, and trunk open. Now we can take panel out, see what's broken. So take panel out already, but this upper panel need come out first. It just got clips. And then this side panel, it can come off. It just got a couple clips in there too. Look like one broken. And then rear panel, it have a bunch of push pin clips and alignment hole thing. But it come all right out, and then this one here kind of pain in butt, but metal go under there and kind of slide tight, but she come right out. Main harness run under into here to car, so. But we know button work because relay in front click, so. We follow harness. We get down here, this wire for button, but this other wire here, this one actually activate the little solenoid in there to unlock. So we take this off, this little button slide out, and we take a look. And there, problem. So electrical wire corroded. So we'll have to take this out, see how bad this lock mechanism is. Yup, lots of corrosion in there too, so that unit junk. Need to buy a new one. But that you see real good here. Slide square key in there and just twist left and it open. So like, there we go. That like lock. And then you go through that hole in the door. Right in there. And then you twist and it open. So that's how you get in, but need to buy a new one of these. Too corroded, it junk. So crazy story with this fix. Mongo put everything back together, and now, well, he put back together and put dielectric grease in Latch just to help corrosion from getting worse while new part come. But look like it worked for now. So let her go. Hopefully this helped you. If you like video, be sure to like video. If you like video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo always working on all sorts of different junk. Mongo, thank you.